Have you thought of adding a bit more height to your sectional or sofa? Well, if you haven't, I have. I'm going to be doing so to my sectional. They come in pieces and it can be attached, but I'm going to be basically turning each piece of my sectional over, and I'm going to be adding just a little bit more height to each piece. Now, just to preface, I did do a test a couple months ago to see if I liked it with a little bit more height or currently low to the ground as it is. So one of my sectional pieces on this side has the legs that are just slightly higher versus the rest of them don't. So I'm going to be finally adding on the rest of the legs. If you follow me on TikTok, you know I griped about the issues I have with I don't know. And I also have to figure out if it is visible, what is the workaround, which the workaround is probably that I will have to spray paint them all one color. The frustration is real. I'm so frustrated. But more importantly, I'm pretty disappointed in myself because I didn't open the package all the way. I unboxed it and put the legs away, but I didn't open the package all the way to notice that the colors were different. Classic mistake when it comes to really any store that has a 30-day policy, including Amazon. The point is I can't return them or exchange them or be like, hey seller, you sent me something wrong. I kind of feel like the time for that has passed. So anyway, yeah, that's where I'll keep you all posted on that. But that's it for today. I just needed to gripe and vent. That's it. Okay, so with that being said, I plan to go forth and conquer. I'm not going to let the issue with the legs be an issue. I have a thought and a strategy around how I think I'm gonna be able to resolve it. So yeah, I'm gonna go forth and conquer. So let's jump right into the video. All right, before we go further into the video, I just want to say that if you continue to watch the video and enjoy what you're seeing, consider subscribing, giving the video a thumbs up, and hit your notification bell so that you're up to date when I post new videos. And if you're not following me on TikTok, consider following me on TikTok. It's on the screen. TikTok is where I post probably the most frequently, and you will not see a one-to-one content on TikTok that you see on YouTube. So definitely a variety of different content over there. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, it's also on the screen. Consider following me over on Instagram. It's a fairly new account, but I post photos, reels, and of course stories over there. So I would really appreciate your support on all my social channels. All right, let's get started for real this time. Now here is the one sectional piece that has the tester legs and the rest of the sectional pieces do not. When I looked at my sectional piece that currently has this leg on it, it actually has this color, this lighter brown color on it. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to have these in the front, the lighter color, and these in the back.